Who farted? Who farted? Who farted? Sem vergonha demais.
Tem vergonha nessa cara.
So my dog is an old man, I think. I think I accidentally adopted an old man. And so I guess if your dog is also an old man, I'd like to see him or her. Does this happen a lot? Do people accidentally adopt old people by accident? I mean, he's fine with eating dog food. He just likes to stare out the window, which is, again, you know, that's something old people do. I should have known. But yeah, let me see your elderly folk.
Who's that? Ruby, who's that? Who is that? Who's that? Who's that? Ruby, who's that? What the fuck? Unbelievable. No. What are you doing? So now I can't even put stuff up there? I'm looking right at you.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Charlie. Charlie. Oh, hi. Hi, Charlie. Hi.
His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable. His intelligence, okay.